Let's look at question number 5 for club and society subscription account. So Page Channel Book Club charges its members an annual subscription of $30 each. During the year ended 31st of December 2017, the club's treasurer received $810 in subscription. This sum included $115 received from members for subscription for 2018. At 31st December 2017, 3 members had failed to pay their 2017 subscription. So A is calculate the club subscription account. So if subscription income for 2017, you can actually do it by listing out all the information that you have. So receive 810. So you just write 810 that you receive. And then out of this 810, prepaid amount for next year, prepaid amount is 150. So this one we need to subtract it out because we need to remove it is for next year because we're going to calculate how much is the subscription income this year. So after you take it out, then you have a certain amount right here, which is 660. Right. So this is the remaining. Then after that, you need to calculate as well. So here it says that 3 members has failed to pay. So 3 members are your accrued subscription for 2017. So the calculation would be $30 multiplied by 3 because that's each person. So $90 will be written here, and then we just need to add them together. So once you add them together, you should get 750. So this is how much you should receive for the year. Expenditure. So those are your subscription account for your subscription income. Okay, so let's look at B. So those are the arithmetical calculations. So look at B. We don't have a opening balance, so we're just going to let it be. And then let's look at the first one, receive 810. So probably our bank or our receipt and payment account will have a debit entry. So in our subscription account, we will have a credit entry. So here we need to write 31st December 2017, receipt and payment. Not banker, because this is club and societies, we have a different name for things. So receipt and payment account, we need to include 810. So once that is done, we need to calculate the next one. So normally I will encourage you to do your opening, happening, and closing. So opening, happening, closing, and then your income and expenditure for this particular case, because there's no income statement. So happening, we have recorded, opening done, happening recorded. Now we have to look at closing. So what I would suggest you to do is draw your total lines first. Total lines here, and then write your balances here. So what happened is that there are prepaid of 150. So prepaid will act as a liability in the future. So balance brought down in the future, which is the next day, 1st of January 2018. So it's going to be a liability here, and then an asset here. So liability will give you a total amount 150, and then the asset will give you $90 because those are the people that are owing you. So once you're done with that, you can actually, well, what I call throwing it back, where you put it, your balance carried down here, which is $90, and then your balance carried down here, which is 150. So you bring out back your balances from next year or next financial year and just put it here because it should be on the 31st of December 2017. So just leave it there. And then you'll have a balancing figure, and since subscription account is a revenue account, the income statement or income and expenditure will be on your debit side. So income and expenditure. So what you need to do is you should actually just calculate it by taking the total here minus the 150. So you just take this plus this minus, then you should get your answer 750. And then you can total them up. Here will be 900 900. And you are done.